girls, here we go. So we just reviewed addition and subtraction within 20 and addition and subtraction within 100, correct?
Yes.
All right, so now your job is to look at this task. You are all going to have this piece of paper in front of you. Everybody needs a pencil, okay? Your job is to solve this task. It might be addition within 20. It might be addition within 100. That is your job to figure out. By collaborating with your partner, coming up with an idea, and see if your solution is correct. Okay? All right. So let's read this task together, and then I will hand it out, and then I will give you more explicit directions. Okay? Read it with me, please.
Your mom gave you some pencils, and they are the shape of a circle. Your mom said you have to split the back with your brother. How are you going to split them with your brother?
Okay. Oh, good job reading the fluency because there's a question mark there. Good job. So you have a baggie in front of you. There's pretzels inside the shape of a circle. Your mom didn't count the pretzels. So your job is to figure out how to split them apart. Good.
To be have the same amount.
Ah, to have what, Miranda?
The same amount.
The same amount. Carlos, what did you use? They have to be
Even.
even. Now we've been talking about shapes. Elijah Hodges, are you listening to my directions? Because I will not repeat them. Okay? All right, so remember, we've been talking about shapes. We've been talking about addition and subtraction. You must, in order to be a level 3, you have to represent your thinking with a picture, an equation, and an explanation of how you got your answer. Now, Mrs. Webb put tools on this table. Do you have to use these tools?
No.
No. But think about what I could use with it. This is a pencil. Think about, okay, wait now. Keep your ideas to yourself. Shush. No. I want you to use these, not yours that you have. Yours is a tool to help you write your equation, okay? So, and there's also popsicle sticks to think about maybe what Ansel was thinking, but I don't want her to share her secret because what she was thinking was a really good idea. Oh, that's good. There's rulers. And there's these little foam shapes that are, now would these ones help you? I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe, maybe not. But there are also some other shapes in here that we know something else about, correct?
Hey, you can make a circle with this.
Okay, you can make a circle with these, but do you want to eat these?
No.
Would these be something that you would give to your brother to eat?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Oh boy, good. Keep your ideas to yourself. I'm excited to see what you guys can do because then I have another task for you to complete as well.
No.
So, your task, I will hand out to you. Everybody has a piece of paper. Everybody has a pencil. Everybody is doing this together.
No.
I want you to come up with an idea of how you guys can figure this out. Now, Mom did not count these. That would have taken a long time. And Mom said, oh, I don't want to hear you guys arguing or complaining. You guys have to figure out how to get this bag split between you and your brother. So how are you going to figure that out? Talk to your partner and figure it out. You have to have a picture and a drawing that represents who? Okay, yes, you can go. Figure it out.
Now you can open the bag.
Yes, you can open the bag, yep. If you eat one now, would that be fair to your brother? eat any until it's solved. Come on, scoot your chair around, dude, so you can work with Damien. Yes, go get a tool. If you think you need a tool, go get a tool. Muhammad Ali. Okay. I don't know. Well, why would you think that you both get 11? Oh, can you give this one to your brother? Would that be fair? So here, your brother doesn't get that one, you get that one. Is that fair? Ah. Oh, so what should I do with that? Oh, I like that thinking. But is this the same amount when I take it away?
Yeah.
This is the same amount when I take this away? Oh, I like your thinking.
Oh, like we did last time.
Like we did last time. What are you talking about?
We had split thousands apart.
Ah, so you're using our prior knowledge from a problem a long time ago to think about a possible solution. Now let's go back to your other one that you said. Now how many do you have if you took this away? What would you do if you had this one?
2. 20. So we both get 10. And then the other one.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, and you could have, yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you get 10.
Okay, but what about this one?
This one?
Yeah, what are you going to do with that one?
Give it to Mom.
Give it to Mom? That would be a good solution because then you wouldn't be arguing, right? If you had 10 and you had 10?
Yeah.
Okay, well that would be a solution. Draw me a picture and show me. But you have to show me every pretzel that you had. What are you going to do with what's...
Put 20 for me.
Ah, good idea.
Then make a picture that then I give one to Mom.
Ooh, what are you doing, my dear? Okay, so what are you doing with the popsicle sticks, though? How many did you have in the first place? What did you start with? How many pretzels did you start with?
All of them.
Well, how many of all of them?
1, 2. I can break this. We started 7.
So why do you have 13 over here, and what's over here?
1, 2.
Let's check that one more time, please. Check that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, all right. So how many did you have over here? And how many did you have over there? Okay, so now, what's 13 and 13? They are 10s and 1s. So how many do you have? You only have 7. Well, what are you going to do with these? Why? Why are you going to make them a half?
Because she said we have to
Oh, okay. Did she say you had to break them up? Are you sure she did? Oh, but do you always have to break something in half? No. So if you had how many?
13.
And Annie had how many? 13 and 13. Are they balanced or not balanced?
I got a big egg.
They're not?
They are balanced.
Well, how do you know? 13. Why?
Because 13 are the same number.
They're the same number. So do I need to do any more extra work of splitting them in half?
No.
Because what did you already do? You already had the same amount. So did you get 13 and your brother got 13? So can you draw an equation to represent that? Okay, let me see.
The words are one that.
Oh, what are you guys doing over here? Ah, you are physically breaking them in half. Huh. Well, how many pretzels did you start with?
I started with 2.
Okay, you started with 2. Now you only had 2 in the bag?
No.
No?
No.
Well, then how did you only start with 2?
I started with 2. I started.
I'm going to come over to your group in just a second. You guys got something?
I started with 3.
You started with 3. So how many did you start with? Wait. What do you mean? Okay. Elijah, come back, dude. Come here. All right, so now, did anybody know what does split the bag mean?
Oh, it means give one to you, give one to me,
Okay.
give one to you.
Okay. All right. Now, let's try to split the bag and see if there is what does split mean? Who has to have what? And is that what we're doing, dude? Okay. All right, I'm coming over in just a second.
It means you have to say
So if I need to split them with you and my brother, are you gonna have more, or is my brother gonna have more? Both of us are gonna have what?
the same.
The same. So what should I be doing right now? What should I be doing right now? So you said give one to me, give one to him. So how many do you have on your paper?
4.
You have 4. Even though these ones are split in half, you still have 4 because if you put them back together, it makes a whole. Very good. Okay, so if you have 4, your brother needs to have 4. Now what can you do?
I can give one to him.
You can give one to him, okay? And then what do you need? If you give one to him, what should he do to you?
He can give one to me.
Okay, we'll figure that out, and I'm going to come back. Try and see what you can come up with.
13
Oh, look at that beautiful picture. Hold on, I'm coming.
I give a big one too.
All right, so what do you have?
I give.
Oh, I love your drawing, but where's my equation?
Wait, what's there? Hurry.
I love your drawing. Your picture looks awesome. I'm coming in just a minute. I gotta look at their picture and their equation.
We draw this because I give.
Think about it. What we just talked about, 10s and 1s.
Give that one small and then I give
Ah.
this one. We got this different. We didn't come in 15.
Well, I see that, but that is interesting. So why you need to tell her why you did this, and your partner needs to tell you why she did that. Just a second, honey.
I did that.
Did you get your picture
I
yet?
got 10 of them. You got 10. I got 10. Who's the fattest? We got 5 plus 5. Who's the fattest guy?
Yar, you've got to move out of the way, people.
So you
Or
got
out of the
5. You
camera.
got 5 for Mom? Or what?
Little Missy. Hey, come in over here and give me hugs, and I can get you going. I need power hugs from my Yarlina, okay? Come on. Power hugs. All right, Melanie. What did you come up with? What happened?
10 plus 10. I said 10
Okay, so now, why did you do that? What were you doing when you did it before? Ah, okay.
You wanted to give them 10.
Okay, but why did you have the 5 plus 5 at the bottom?
Oh.
Why? Explain to me why. What were you doing?
I
I know what you were doing, but explain to me, please.
We can do 2 one here.
I see that. So I know what you were doing. You had, no honey, you cannot do that.
We
Stop,
can
please.
do.
Okay, so you thought Melanie had to split it with her brother, and you thought you had to split it with your brother, right? So that's what you were doing. So you split it even more, and so you were able to take your 10 and give half to somebody else and keep half for yourself. Excellent work, little girl. Now, no, you're good, because what you did is you understood that she was your brother and you were the sister, and that she just wasn't listening to what Mrs. Webb thought you were doing your own problems with half and half, okay? You guys did a good job working together and a good job helping each other. Stop, please. Don't. Think about it. What does 10 plus 10 equal? Count my 10.
11.
No, 10.
20.
20. Good job. All right, come on, Yara. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, when you guys are done, you can share and eat.
I have no idea.
Oh, I bet you do have an idea. Now, why did you guys decide to split them this way? No, sir. Hold on, I'm coming. Just a minute, I promise. Oh, thank you. Good job. So this is called a remainder. You will learn this in the higher grade. So this is called a remainder. So this wasn't split equally. So then this, you could cut this in half, but we haven't talked about adding halves. So yes, you can cut this in half and you can share it among yourself. So that's something that you're going to learn, adding fractions in the higher grade. Okay? Oh, thank you. So sweet. Okay, now is that what we're doing? Okay, so what are we doing? How many pretzels do you have here? Do you know? I see that. Now, is this an easy way to count things, or is there an easier way? Okay, well, how about you set that up for me, and I'll come back to see if you can figure out an easier way to get started, and I will help you get started. Oh, you can do it, Damien. I know you can. Woo, good job. Hold on. Let me get these guys real quick, and I'm coming with you. Where's your picture? Where's your picture? Oh. Yeah, and an equation. Remember, to be at level 3, you have to have a picture, an equation, and an explanation, correct? Are you sure you got it? Does that represent the pretzels? Ah, what is that representing? Remember, representation is important. Okay, what did you guys figure out? There's a, what? There's one more. Okay, now let's see, what do you got? Excuse me, what do you got? Oh my goodness, what happened to Mrs. Webb's grandma? What do you have here? No, not yet, we gotta wait, Is that mine? Thank you. Okay, go, yes. You can use the bag that you had. Okay, good. Okay, so how many pretzels do you have? Now, how come we're counting this one? Is this the same as this? No. You have that too? But then what about this one in the middle? How would you make 11 and 11? Why would we need 2 more pretzels? I like what you guys did. I love how you guys set it up in tool kind of format that we've used before. Why did you set your pretzels up this way? Why did you set them up this way? I love how you guys set them up. What does it look like? What does it look like? Okay, but what kind of order? What kind of tool do we use when we're doing that? A 10 frame. Very good. So now, where did the other one go? Okay, now, where did you had another one? I thought you had another one. You guys had another one here. Where did it go?
This one.
I don't know what happened. Here we go. Okay, so now. Okay, here we go. I don't know what happened to it. It was right here in the middle of the table, correct? Or that one was here and this one was here. Okay, so now, I don't know what happened. Somebody came over here and I don't know. Okay, here we go. Now does this represent the same one that Yar has over here? Are these the same?
No.
Okay, so this person right here is either getting more or less pretzels. Is she getting more or less? She's getting more. Is that fair? So do you want to be the brother or do you want to be the sister? I want to be the sister too. So now that she has a half over there, and you have a half over here, and she has that one, what should we do? Okay, take that one back. Sister, take that one back. Oh, don't mess up your pretty 10 frame. Don't mess up your pretty 10 frame. Good. Okay.
I want to put them back.
Now, Princess, what do you think you need from her?
No. What's your name?
Okay, you have what? How many do we have here? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay, 10 and, no, is that a whole one? No, what? It's a what? A cracked one. But what have we been working on? It's split, so it's in, what did you do? Now look, what does that make?
A circle.
It makes a circle. But what? It makes a hole. But look at, how many do you have? 1?
And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10.
Is that split fair? So where should that one go? Oh my goodness. Now, if these were yours and I don't know where they came from, what would I do with those two? Oh, that is so cool. Is that even now?
Yeah.
So how would I make a picture and an equation on my paper that I split all of these pretzels apart? It was just a tool to see if you actually needed them or you didn't need them. You might not have needed them. Okay, good. Put it back. So come up with an equation and a picture.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss Webb, here's your pencil.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right, friends. What did you come up with? I know, but everybody else needs a fair opportunity too. Okay. All right. What did you guys come up with? How many pretzels did you have?
13 and 13.
You had 13 and 13. This mom did not count very well.
Because
You didn't have any extra? Mom didn't count very well. There was not supposed to be an even number of pretzels. So, now, I'm going to ask you guys, because I think you guys might be able to figure it out. What if I took one away from you? Would you have the same amount? No.
Because
Now,
you would have had 13 and I would have had 12.
That's right. Okay, so you would have had 13 and he would have had 12. Now, what could I have done differently if there was an odd number?
Get a pencil. Counted all together.
Get a pencil and do what?
Pencil and
Get a pencil and split them apart. So that is why Mrs. Webb had these here just in case. So now, how could I do that? How could I split these apart to make an even number if I took away this one?
Take away more?
Take away more?
She could take one away.
Okay, but if she takes one away, what are we going to do with these two that are left over? Is that
throw
going
them away. Waste
just
it.
throw them away?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you guys could think of another way.
Eat them.
Okay, you could eat them. So I'm going to put this one away. Now, I want you guys, I love your picture. You are correct. You split them correctly. You knew that 13 plus 13 is how many together?
26.
26. Doubles plus doubles, right? Correct. Good. You knew 10 plus 10 is?
10 is 20.
And 3 plus 3 is? 6. So 20 plus 6 is?
20 plus 3
20 plus 6 is?
26.
26. Good job, okay? So now, put all those down in the middle again. And I took this one away. I want to see what you guys can come up with. Okay? All right, good try.
And after we're done, we're going to both eat 13.
Yes, you get to both eat 13. You are correct. What did you guys come up with finally? Oh, look at that picture. Now, how come you have this number and you have this number and you have this number and you have that? Oh, whoa. Hold on. Because she told me, is that an explanation? No. So, what do we do with numbers? We can count them. What else can we do with numbers?
Yeah. Take them away.
We can take them away. What else can we do with numbers?
I'll take these braids off.
You can do a picture like you did.
Get out.
Now, what happened when I left here is you had 13 and you had 13, correct? You both had 13. So what should my picture represent?
Doesn't it hurt? 13.
13 and what? Okay, you're going to end up having a biggest number when you do what? When you add. Very good. Okay? So, how did I split these evenly? How did I split them evenly? How did I balance these pretzels? How did I make them even?
13 and 5.
13 and 5? Where'd you get 13 and 5? Put it down, please, and I'll be over there in just a second. Thank you, honey. You broke 2 on accident? That's okay.
I didn't break it.
Oh, okay.
Just broke it.
Okay, that's okay. Just leave it. It's okay. So let's go back here. Let's put these in an organized fashion. Because what does this look like? And what do we know we've used before? A 10 frame. And then we have 10s plus 1. 10 and 3 make 13. Do you have 10 and 3 still to make 13? And I love your picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So who has this 13? And who has this 13? Okay. So now, if I have 13 and 13, is it going to make 52? What do I know about my 10s and my 1s? They are smaller. Am I going to get 52? How many 10s do I have?
I bet we're going to do another craft.
I have 13 10s? I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. I have 13 10s. I have 130 pretzels? No. How many 10s do I have? Circle, where's my 10s? Which number is in my 10s? The 1 or the 3? Which number is in the 10s? The 1 or the 3? Annie, which number? The 1! Circle your 1. Okay, which one's in the 10s? The 1 or the 3? Now that doesn't make sense. You told me the 10 was here and now you tell me the 10 is here. Which one is a 10? Annie, which one is a 10? If I have 13, which number is my 10s? Thank you. So now, you have 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, what happened to your 13? Uh-oh, how many do I need to get rid of? How many do I need to get rid of? Good job. Why did you take, good, because 5 take away 2 is?
13.
Not 13. 5 take away 2 is? 3. Because you knew you had 10 and now you have 3. So I should have drawn a 10 frame and I had 3. So that's 10 and 3 is 13. But now where's your brothers? Ah, you drew enough for you. Oh, look at that. Why are they fighting over it? Look at, if you had the same number, are you fighting over it? You are? I love your picture, but we shouldn't be fighting over it because Mom.
That's not the mom.
Oh, that's not. Oh, this is. Oh, look how beautiful Mom is. Why are they sad? They shouldn't be fighting because they got the same amount. But I love your picture. And then what's 11 plus 11? Are you sure? If I have 12, that's only 1 more than 11. Are you sure you wrote your number correctly? I think you wrote your number backwards. I think you better go count them again. Okay, so now draw me a picture. So now you need to fix it. Oh, yes, girlfriend. Woo! 13 plus 13. Show me, please.
I read that number.
I know, I'm coming.
I read it.
Ah, so what did you guys figure out over here? Oh, my hand. Okay, what did you guys figure out? Oh, you put them back together and made it easy, huh? You guys were trying to make it difficult because we've been talking about half circles, huh? I know. Mrs. Webb put the tools up there just to see if you would use them, if you wouldn't use them, or if you would do what you were doing. So either way, how you were splitting them was still a correct strategy, correct? Yes. But sometimes we need to do something first before we try something else, right? We got to think about what we have for numbers. Okay, so how many did you end up with? You have 14? And how many do you have? So you guys have the same amount?
Yes.
This counter, this mom, not very good at counting these pretzels out. Okay, so how do you have 14 and he has 14 to show me a correct equation? Okay, excellent. Thank you, that looks much better. 10 plus 10 is what? 10 plus 10 is what? 20. Plus 1 more is what? 20 plus 1 is? 20 plus 21 plus 1 is? 22. Very good. I know you heard me. I said 20 plus 1 and I said 21 plus 1 is? 21 plus 1 is? 21 plus 1 more. Count on. 21?
Oh, 22.
Thank you. Okay. So now, does this represent how many pretzels we had total? So this represents how many you have total, but I needed to know an equation using both amounts. So how can I fix that now? Okay? Yes, you do. All right. Once I've seen your picture and once you've done it, you can eat them. Remember. All right. What did you guys come up with?
We got the same amount.
You have the same. You have the same amount. Well, how many do you have?
14.
Okay. How did you come up with 14 and 14? Let me see, because this is really hard for me to count.
We can eat them?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. No. Did you show me your picture with your other one? Did you try it? What did you do?
Can we eat them?
Yes.
And then the rest on the pencil. And then we count the ourselves on the regular space.
Let me come over there and let me try to think about that thinking one more time, okay? Oh, I like what you're doing, Miranda. Why are you doing that?
We did 1, 2, 3,
Thank you.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, what do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you sure that's the same amount?
Yeah, we got
Okay.
14.
All right, now here's the deal. These are mine. Those are yours. Is that the same amount?
These are yours and that's mine.
Yeah. Are those 14? Didn't Mom give us circles? Okay. Are those all circles? They broke apart. Is that fair? If I have this and you have that? If you break one apart, what's going to happen? Then she's still going to have more. They're really close to 14. I'm not going to lie there. They are really close. But would you want to be the sister or would you want to be the brother right now?
I'm the sister.
You want to be the sister? You want the broken ones? Would that be fair? I know you're so nice, Miranda. I know you just do it just to do it. But would that be fair? No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, then she gets more.
Yeah. Okay. We don't have any more. That's right. So what can you do with the ones that you have? See what we need to make here? Look, what did I make on this? Look at what kind of tool is that we've used before?
That means envelope.
What is that?
The brother one.
No, Wolf Artini, you go sit down. I didn't ask you to get out of your seat. Rule number 6, follow directions. A ruler? That looks like a ruler? 10 frame. Very good. So if I know I have 10 and 4, that makes 14. 10s and 1s make 14. Okay, so let's make yours into a 10 frame, and then let's see if we can think about this in another direction. Okay, so now, here is my 14. Here is your 14.
Oh, when Miranda was counting hers, I knew it was 14 already, and I just 10, 20, 30.
Whoa, 10, 20.
No, well, I said 1.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, so how many are in here? How is that 20? 10. 10 and 4 make 14. Now, what if I took 1 away from here and 1 away from here?
13.
Okay, are you sure that's 13?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, why are we needing to count that again? What is this thing called? 10. 10.
10 plus 3 equals 13.
10 plus 3 equals 13. Do you have 14? Okay, now, to make this even, 1, 2, 3, what could Miranda do? Substitute. Now, do you have 13? Oh, okay, but now look at what you have over here. Awesome. Stop. Not 20. Stop. Put that down. Good job. She doesn't have 20. 10 and 2 make 10 and 2 make
20.
20? 10 and 10 make 20, but 10 and 2. 10. Count on.
12.
11, 12. Good. Now look over in your discard pile. What's the same over there?
These are circles. These are
Ah, so what should I be doing right now? What could I be doing to make this even?
we could like do this like that.
Yes, ma'am. Good thinking. Now, what could I do with the hat?
Give one to each other.
Now, would that be more fair?
Yes.
And could we pretend that this was a whole pretzel?
Yes.
Now, does this look more even?
Yes.
I agree. So now let me check your picture and your... Alright, now explain this to me because I am really confused how I got this and what this represents. You told me you had how many pretzels?
14.
You told me you had how many pretzels? So why are we starting with 30?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Let me come back and let me think about that a little bit more. Okay? Alright, Noble and Fartoon, what did you have? Oh, wow. You guys had 23 each?
She was talking me. I was.
Oh, I know that. I see that. And it looks like you got hungry and took a bite out of your paper. Now, here's the deal. Who has 15? Can I have them, please? Thank you. Now, you get 8.
8.
Yeah, that's what you have? Why does your face look like that? I get to eat all of these, and all you get is that.
No.
So, is that split evenly? Ha 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 ha. I get more or less. Which one do I get? I have more. You got less. Who has the better deal?
Me.
Me. I took them away from you. Ah. Did we split those evenly? Oh, we didn't. What do we need to do? No, we can't eat them because then that wouldn't be fair either. So now, what do I need to do? Definitely not get out of my chair and definitely think about this problem a little bit more. If I need to reread it, I should be rereading it and work together. And if you need,
30 plus 6, 7.
where do you have 30 at?
He said we can only get 9.
Well, that's not right. If you had 9, how many would he have to have? 9 and 4 is the same?
Nope. 9.
9 and 9 would be the same. How about we start there? You get 9, he gets 9, and see what's left.
2, 3, 4.
All right, you guys figure it out? No? No?
Yeah.
You did? What did you figure out?
I figured out we put 3 here and then the rest here.
Okay, so I get this and you get that.
No. I figured it out. He gets that. He gets 13. I get 13.
No, that's not
If I
okay.
get 12, she has it said
I don't know what it is, and you need to go wash off your hand, please. I don't know who has lotion out. Is that what we're doing?
No.
I don't, Melanie, no thank you.
No.
Thank you, okay? All right, so here, I want to show you this because I know what, if you would have a little bit more direction with you to do this. Okay, so now let's look at this, okay? Okay, put them in a 10 frame for me. Put yours in a 10 frame over there, on your paper. Oh, you're 1 now. Okay. It's okay. I know. It's so tempting to eat this. Oh, are you still gonna eat it?
Yeah. I didn't do it.
I broke it. Oh, is that a 10 frame? How do you make a 10 frame there, girlfriend?
I'm trying to make a 100 frame.
I don't know what you're trying to do.
I'm trying to make a 10 frame.
Okay, but how do we make a 10 frame? How many go on top?
Five,
and how many
five.
go 5 and 5? Okay, 5 plus 5 is
5.
no. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 on top, 5 on bottom, make
So you
10.
want to do 5 plus 5?
Okay, so is that 5 plus 5? I don't know what you're doing, little
1,
lady.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now, how many do you have left over? Man, you got the winning match here. You got 11. Okay, that's funny. How many are we supposed to have there?
5, 6, 7, 8,
How many are we supposed to have right here?
12. I got 12.
No, how many is supposed to be in this? This is like a tool that we use to help us count numbers. How many is supposed to be in this thing?
5.
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 there. Do you have 5 down here?
No, she had 4.
Oh, okay, now. So, he has 12. Now you need 12. How do I get 12?
Add 2.
Ah, add 2 more. You know how to do this. 10 and what makes
2.
12? 10 and 2 makes 12. Now, he has this awesome broken one right here. What can I do with that one that's left over?
So that means he's got more.
Because he split it in half, he has more?
Yeah.
So,
Because
okay.
This is 1 and this is 2. That's number 1, that's number 2.
So, look at me. How do you call this a circle?
It's a half.
So, is this,
It's half circle.
so can I call this 1?
Half of 1.
Ah, half of 1. So, how is this a circle?
It's half of 1.
Ah, so does that really make 2?
No.
No, good. So if I put it together, it makes
1.
1. So now, does he have more or the same?
He has more. I have more. He has more.
Okay, but let's take this one out of the mix for right now.
He has
Now,
more. I know.
so you're still saying that this circle is considered 2?
No.
No.
You took mine.
No. This is out. He doesn't have it. You don't have it. I have it right now. So do you have the same?
Yes.
Yes, because you both have what? 12 and 12, 10 and 2. Now, what if I would have done this because of this one here? He's the oddball out. What if I laid the pencil across here? Across here. Now if I'm going to take this pencil out of here, across here, across here, and then give a popsicle stick across here, across here. Would that still be the same amount? Would that still be the same amount?
Yes.
Wait, it's okay. Okay, popsicle stick there. Okay, that's still the same amount, correct? Now, if we split all of those in half to give us the same amount, what can we do with this one? I can do that too. Think about it. What did we just do to all of these pretzels?
We split it.
Okay, so how do you get one thing equal among 2 people? What? How would I split it apart? What tool could I use to split it apart? I could break it, or I could just sit there and put another tool there somewhere.
No, break it.
So you want to break it?
No.
Dun, dun, dun. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Why did I do this? What could I do to that?
Put it in a group. No, because then brother would have more than a sister would.
Oh, very good. If I put that over there, the brother would have more. What's that tool doing on your table right there? Yeah.
Laying down.
Okay, what can I do?
Put this on here and then throw it away.
Would I put it on there?
Yeah.
What? Okay, well, how is that going to do anything? Ah, Carlos, what are you thinking? Boom. So now, if I had one extra circle left over, and I wanted to do the same strategy for everything, all I had to do was put the pencil on there. Do you now have the same amount?
Yes.
How many half circles would each of you have?
Put the pencil on there.
How many half circles would you each have?
We would each had 12.
You would? There's 12 half circles?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What's a half a circle look like?
A half circle looks like that.
Oh, so you only have 12 of those right now?
No.
How many do you have?
We have 13.
Why did you? Oh, you are so getting closer. Oh, man. How do I count a half a circle? Look it. Now, you said this earlier, Nyla. 1 and 1 make 2. But 1 and 1 together, or 1 and 2 together make 1. Look it. If I have a half a circle, how many do I have in a circle? 2. So can we count by 2? So how many half circles do you have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now, do you have 2 or do you have 1 each over here now? Do you have 1 of these or 2 of these each? You have 1. So what's 24 plus 1 more? Count on for 24 one time. 24.
26.
Well, you're counting, but 25 because we only need to count 1. Look, to make this even, you get this half, Carlos gets this half, right? So you would have 25 half circles. So that's another way to solve it. Which way was easier? This way was easier? Or taking the tools away, and because the counter, taking the tools away and giving each person 13, right?
Yeah, that was easy.
Good job. Thanks for working with me and trying the other way. All right, now you may eat.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Wait, we didn't make sure we go up
You do.
there.
What have you guys figured out?
We helped each other and
I like how you're using these rulers.
we were working together. We will try to
I still don't think we got to 9. Who has 9?
Nobody.
Okay, so I don't know if you're doing math or you're playing.
Math, we're doing math.
I don't know if you're doing math. I think you're playing. So let's count out 9 like we discussed. Let's count out 9 like we discussed. Count out 9. Get 9. Get 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, put them in front of you and make something that we could count easier with.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, put them in front of you. Whoa, is this a whole one? Are you going to count this one? Huh? Okay, now, how many are left? 3. 3 and half of a circle. So if I put this straight line here, I'd have a half of a circle. Can you have any more of these?
No.
Can you have any more of these?
No.
You can't?
Yes.
What could you have?
We can have
Could you have any more of these right here to split evenly? No? So this one won't work over here and this one won't work over here and you have this and this left?
No. Because this is not broke.
Okay, that's not broke, but you couldn't have this one? Fartoon took one, and so if Fartoon took one, can you have one more? Yeah, so if you had 9 and you gave yourself one more, how many is that? 10. Now, you have this left. Can I split this evenly with everybody else? No. I would have to do what? Share. How could I share this? By working together? I could break it in half and make a half circle. Very good. So then you would get half and she would get half. What would I do with this one? Half and half. What would that be called? Whoa, stop. Time out. We've talked about this. So give me that one back real quick. Okay, so if I have the 4 pieces, what is that called? If I split a circle into 4 pieces, what is that called? It is called sharing, but I broke it into
Half.
not half. We cut it in half once. We cut it one more time, so it makes it into 4. 4. So you get a half and a fourth. You get a half and a fourth.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Good.
9, 10,
Okay.
11,
All right.
12.
Good job, friends.
Do we even know?
Yes.